We, the food factory, is here with a new yummy recipe, the Cheesy Chicken Cutlets. Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you the recipe for Cheesy Chicken Cutlets. So the ingredients for the recipe are chicken mince 500 grams, potatoes 3 medium size which we smashed, ginger 2 teaspoons, half a cup of chopped onion, 1 cup grated cabbage, half cup grated carrot, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons garlic, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 beaten egg and breadcrumbs for coating. For detailed list of the ingredients, please refer to the description box. We shall now start with the recipe. Take chicken mince in a large bowl. Then add to it the smashed potatoes. The potatoes should be coarsely smashed. Now we shall add that chopped onion, finely chopped carrot, chopped cabbage. You can also add veggies like corn, capsicum, whichever you prefer. Now we shall add the coriander, chopped coriander, garlic, finely chopped, ginger, chili flakes, you may add even more if you like, black pepper powder, mixed herbs, chaat masala, salt as per your taste. Now we shall add the soya sauce, and lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients to form a batter. You can also add green chilies if you want to make it more spicy, or you can increase the quantity of chili flakes. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Also click on the bell icon to remain updated with my latest recipes. The batter should be mixed properly so that the chicken mince and the veggies are well coated with all the masalas that we have added. So see that you mix the batter properly grated cheese, you can add as much cheese as you like it. And then again mix this cheese with the batter in such a way that the cheese gets properly mixed up. Adding cheese, it gives a very nice taste to the cutlets. So now the batter is ready to make cutlets. Now grease the palms with oil. Take a small portion of the mixture, roll it and flatten it to make a cutlet. Then you dip it in the egg mixture and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Keep it aside. So in this way we shall prepare all the cutlets. So now the cutlets are ready for frying. Place a pan on the gas stove. Add oil. Once the oil becomes hot, shallow fry the cheesy chicken cutlets on a medium flame till they become golden brown on both the sides. Flip the cutlets. And let them fry till they are golden brown. Now remove the cutlets into a plate. So here our yummy cheesy chicken cutlets are ready to be served with sauce or chutney. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon so that you do not miss any of these recipes. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy.